Yo, what's up guys? This video we're going to do the final 12th step of the 12-step copywriting program, close with a reminder. Always include a postscript. Believe it or not, your PS is the third most read element of your sales letter. I've seen good copywriters use not just one postscript, but many PPS in your postscript. You want to remind them of your irresistible offer. If you use scarcity in your sales letter, include your call to action, then remind them of the limited time or quantity offer. It sounds like a simple step, but postscripts get noticed. I think the reason for this is people just skim to the bottom just to see how much things are, and then when their eyes are already at the bottom, they're just like, oh, what are these words down here? Let me just like read this bottom thing right here. So, all right, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so we will do the same thing we did before. Clone and clone. Let's move that down. Okay, so that's right. Wow, are you still reading this? And this should say, God, this is long. Wow, are you still reading this? Alrighty. Okay, so let's delete that. So I think what I should do actually, now that I'm looking at this, is I should have this right here, and then I should have the PS here. All right, the PS should, oh, here we go, PS, there we go. All right, so actually, I'm gonna delete these sections. Probably looks better that way anyway. Delete, delete, yeah, that's good. And do what feels right. Feels right for you. Okay. Okay, here's the PS. If you're skimming and just want to see what the offer was, for $7, you're getting Russell's Funnelology 101 course and the blueprint for a funnel that's currently making him $500,000 a month. Holy shit, dude. This guy's crushing it, huh? Okay, so what are we doing here? If you're skimming, what are we supposed to do in this step again? Always include a postscript, scarcity, call to action. So basically call to action, limited time. PS. Look. I know you just skipped to the bottom to see how much. That's cool. Probably just not intelligent enough to appreciate genius of my expert copywriting. If that's the case, then you really don't deserve to be one of the only 13 people who will get access to this life-changing service. What else are you supposed to write in here? Scarcity and what? Sounds like a simple step. Alright, I guess I'll just talk shit to people. I don't like people who skim to the bottom. Like, I guess I should reiterate the price. How much this service was. And that's cool. That's cool. I mean, it sucks for you that you're not intelligent, sure. Not intelligent enough to appreciate the genius of my expert copywriting. If that's the case, then then you probably won't appreciate. No, I wrote appreciate already. Probably wouldn't sorry that you have to read all those words in order to fully understand. You know, it's kind of funny, like, we did all this, right? It's the 12th step. Now I'm thinking like, it'd been so much easier to just make a video. You know, like why did I write all this? Could have just made a video. But anyway, we wrote it all. Here we are. So let's finish this last sentence and then I'm going to take a break. I'm sorry that you have to read all those words in order to fully understand why this service is worth, I don't know, 299. Hello, sawadee-ka. 2997. Yeah, no, it's okay. I'm done in like 10 seconds. It's all good. Read all those words. You have to read. Help you get to automate your journey to 200 funnels. Done. And that is how you write a sales letter in 12 steps. There's no reason for you guys not to be able to do the first draft in one day. I don't know how fast you type, but like I type pretty fast. So a couple days, let's say. Cool? All right.